Hello. Welcome to another interesting video. And today's video is about one of the most complicated topics in driving, and that is the left turn driving, or how to turn left at an intersection while driving or in a traffic light. So in this video, we'll talk about left turn driving rules as well as which lane is the best to choose when you're turning left onto a multi-lane or two-lane road ahead. So let's get started without any further delay, and please watch this clip carefully, and then I will explain what you need to do when you're making a left turn at an intersection like this or in a traffic light. Okay, and now see this clip. I am planning to take a left turn here, and you can see there are two left turns which are going to the left side. You can see the arrow mark, and then I am staying here in the right left turn and waiting here to take the left turn. And in this meantime, you can observe the overhead lane sign. This is the two left turn where it is going. One is going towards Mazda, Centrum, or you can also connect to the route number 255. If you see, there are also another sign in the right side, and there are two lanes that is going to the completely another direction. Now you can see the left turn arrow is on, and it is very busy traffic, so you have to go slower, but you have to make sure that before you cross this road, then it should not, the left turn arrow should not be red. So now go slow, observe the lane sign here, and then see the lane sign also in the road, another information signboard. So all this information you have to process in your mind very quickly. Now very busy, you have to look into the left side of the roundabout. It is a big roundabout, and then I'm planning to take the second exit. So staying here in the outside lane, now indicate from here, and then you exit safely. And I'm going to also tell you why I choose the right left lane. Okay, let's go another time to see this left turn. If I am, let's say, if I am planning to go to the left lane, so if I do this, I need to go to choose the really left side lane and then wait there to turn the signal, turn the traffic signal green. I would have choose the left turn and then keep the vehicle in that lane only, and from that lane you cannot change to the right side left lane. So when you this car is going, and then if you go from the that side, or if you choose this lane here, then you cannot go to the make the right lane, because there is a solid line, you cannot change here. And here you have to see and go into the left lane, but you have to keep your lane not towards the right but towards the left lane. And then you cannot also go to the right lane or the first exit or second exit. You have to go towards the third exit from this lane. And that is how you have to plan much ahead where you are going, where you are planning to go. Then according to that you keep your vehicle or position your vehicle accordingly. So if you go to the third exit in this roundabout, you should have positioned your vehicle in the far more left side of the lane. But since I am planning to go to the second exit, then it is I kept my vehicle to the rightmost left lane. Okay, this is the another left turn, unprotected one. So you have to indicate early and then see if there is no oncoming vehicle, then you can take left turn. But do not do it in a rush manner. So you have to be very careful when you use this type of unprotected left turn. Okay, I hope this video is helpful for some of you. And then if it is valuable to you, do not forget to subscribe, or do not forget to hit the like button, and I will see you in another interesting video very soon. Till then, hey do, bye bye, and likkatil for your surcode or surprop.